Bonjour. Let's look at present tense regular RE verbs. When I say present tense RE verbs, what I mean is that there are four groups of verbs in French: ER verbs, IR verbs, and the smallest group of regular verbs are RE verbs. The rest of them are irregular. There are about 50 regular RE verbs in French and around 100 irregular ones. So it's not the biggest group versus ER and IR verbs, but it is important to learn how these are conjugated. When I say regular, what I mean is that there are patterns of endings on each kind of verb. RE verbs, you can see the pattern right here. And once you learn that pattern, anytime you get a verb that ends in RE, you are able to conjugate it. Please forgive my cat. Some common RE verbs include attendre, to wait, attendre, descendre, to go down, descendre, entendre, to hear, entendre, perdre, to lose, perdre, rendre, to give back, rendre à, to return to, rendre visite à, to pay a visit to someone, répondre, to respond, répondre à, to answer to, and vendre, to sell. Again, that list is attendre, descendre, entendre, perdre, rendre, rendre visite, répondre, and vendre. To conjugate RE verbs, the endings are not tricky at all. You drop RE from the RE verb stem, and then you add the following endings. For je and tu, you add the letter S. For il and elle and on, you just end with the stem minus RE. So for example, if your verb were rendre, it would be il rend, R-E-N-D, il rend. So you don't add an ending there. And then for nous, vous, il, elle, plural, ONS, easy, ENT, just like an ER verb. I did have a student one year who sang a little song to help them remember these, and I thought it was cute, so I will sing it for you now. It goes, S, S, then nothing, ONS, easy. Then you add the ENT, and that's how you RE. It's cute. S, S, then nothing, ONS, easy. Then you add the ENT, and that's how you RE. Thanks, Christian. As far as pronunciation, the left side here, the SS nothing, you don't hear those endings. And the right side, you hear ONS, you hear EZ. You never hear the letters ENT on the end, but you are going to hear the middle consonant brought out by these vowels. So let's look at an actual verb, and I'll explain. For example, the verb perdre, to lose, will be pronounced je perds, tu perds, il perd, nous perdons, vous perdez, ils perdent, elles perdent. You'll hear the letter D in the middle there, which means you do hear a difference between singular il perd and plural ils perdent. So je perds, tu perds, il perd, nous perdons, vous perdez, ils perdent. To make these into command forms, you just use the form of the verb minus the subject pronoun attend, attendant, attendez, répond, répondons, répondez. To make them negative, put ne pas around your command form. One little thing to point out, two things that are different between French and English. The verb attendre means to wait for, so you don't need an extra little for included there. English speakers tend to want to put Kevin attend pour le bus. You don't wait for something with an extra word in French, you just wait, attend. And then visiter is an ER verb that means to visit a location. Rendre visite à means to pay a visit to a person, to go see someone. Here are some additional RE verbs. You can pause this video now, but if you would like to hear these verbs pronounced, don't pause it. They are apparaître, atteindre, attendre, défendre, dépendre, descendre, détendre, entendre, étendre, fendre, fondre, Interrompre, which has one little special thing for the il, elle singular. You add a T on the end. Interrompre. Mordre, to bite. Pendre, perdre. Prétendre, rendre, répandre, répondre, tendre, and vendre. So these are some normal, regular RE verbs that you can work with by adding the letters S, nothing, ONS, EZ, ENT. Merci, au revoir.